It's in the grind where legacy and legends are created. My city tells a tale. You hustle and make it, or you die trying. Born in Mount Clemens and raised in Detroit, I've watched the struggle and resilience that define my city. But beyond the challenges, there lie an infinite number of possibilities. And trust, I'm peeling back the pages of fate, revealing the raw, uncut, unfiltered chapters of my story. We finna finish these courses with swag. Oh yeah, if you wonder who I am, I just tell them.
It's Woo Bear, baby.
What is the absolute freaking deal, guys? I'm geeked. I'm excited. Like I said in the intro, I am ready to peel back the pages of my life. My name is Daniel. It's Woo Bear, and I'm from Detroit, Michigan. Born and raised. I'm actually born and raised in Mount Clemens, but Michigan is divvied up into so many cities. So you can be born in Detroit, but I mean, you finna be in Sterling Heights, you finna be in Troy, you finna be in Macomb, you name it. Like, if you from Michigan, you from everywhere. So I really want to talk about how I got started in my trading journey. Like, that's the hot topic. So without further ado, I'm gonna get straight into it. 2019, senior year of high school. This was after I had got done applying for U of M, and I got in U of M Flint. So I'm like, that's a bet. So I graduate in May. Everybody doing Snapchat, snap for snap. Everybody getting posted on everybody's story. So like, I'm adding people, and I see this one girl, and she's posting about trading stuff. And guess who she's a part of? That's right, folks. IML. Now, if you don't know what or who IML is a marketing company, and almost a pyramid scheme, but I will say I'm thankful for IML because IML gave me the insights of what trading was. But back to the story. So I hit up girl, she in IML, so she trying to recruit me. I'm like, already I'm off rip, like, you gotta recruit me. And then like the monthly pay was like outrageously high. I'm in high school. I got into Forex to learn how to make money, which means I don't got no money. So what make you think that I got $250, $200 to pay every month, and then I had to recruit? You got to recruit people on top of that. So if you don't want to pay the $250 or $200 every month, you need to recruit two people. I wasn't trying to do that because it's like most of the people I know trying to make money too because they don't got money. So what do I look like talking about some, hey, you wanna slide on this opportunity? You can make hella bands. It's bands on the floor. All you got to do is pay monthly and then start recruiting people. No one's doing that. No one is literally doing that bull. So probably not even like 2 weeks after I signed up, I didn't do the next month. I didn't. I did not do the next month. So I exit and I get fully indulged. Like, I fully indulge in trading. Kinda. Because mind you, like I said, like, this is May and going into June. So like, I'm still kind of like, wow, I'm about to go to the dorms. I'm about to start my freshman year. So like, I wasn't that focused into trading, but like, that was definitely at the forefront of my mind where it's like, I'm so intrigued. Like, I want to see how this works. So, I'm kind of off and on it throughout the summer. And then August comes and I'm moving to the dorms. I think it was either August or September. Moving to the dorms, and I'm finding other people. Like, I found like a few other people who was either in the trading or IML. So I'm like, look, we don't even got to do all the IML stuff. This is like end of 2019, fourth quarter 2019. I'm like, we don't even got to do all this. We in the dorms with it. I'm like, we can really just have our own study group, do it like that. Nobody taking it serious. So it was cool. I'm like, cool. I'm gonna just do it on my own. So like, I probably traded a little bit throughout my first quarter of freshman year, the first semester, and then boom, COVID. Literally COVID. And what's crazy about COVID is COVID happened 2 days before my birthday. So they shut us down on March 20th, and my birthday was March 22nd. So literally was very disappointed. Very disappointed. I'm like, damn, it's like, can't get nothing. Can't do nothing. So I'm pretty sure everybody felt like that. So I go back home. This is when I really start to lock in. So I go back home and I'm locked in because there's nothing else to do. So I finished up my finals for the first semester, or actually the second semester. I finished up my finals for second semester because this is March. So then, we finish in April, May, and beginning of May. Swag, Q, Doyle, Jeremy Cash, Jackpot, PMG, 5 black mentors on top of, the few other traders that I was watching. But I was on top of all the black mentors that came to trading. Like, Swag was a key factor in me, like, expounding on stuff. And then came Jeremy Cash. And I'm like, all right. And then I was indulged, like I said, with Q Banks, Doyle. And that's all I was on. Literally every day. And what's crazy is, like, during that 2020 period, a lot of traders came out with their content and was blown up, especially because during that COVID period, there was a bull run, so it was easy to make money. It was easy to post about it. You didn't have to know as much to make a profit. So, like, everybody was going ham, and I'm like, I'm trying to hop on the wave. So, like, I'm learning different strategies. I'm learning, moving average crossovers. I'm learning Ichimoku Cloud. I'm learning Fibonacci. I'm learning supply and demand, and really, I'm just really starting to expound for real, because I had started before college. But during that COVID period is when I really had locked in. So then we get to the end of 2020 and we go into 2021. This is when I moved to Kansas. I moved to Kansas in February of 2021. February 2020, or like 2021 was really crazy. Because not only did I move to Kansas, so like that was new. 700 plus miles away from home. That was new, on top of when I got there, like I had my first big day. I literally had my first big day, and that's what did it. I was playing at this church. They were paying me $100, $150. So I take my 100, put it in the markets. I did that like for a few Sundays, and then one Sunday was trading GBP JPY, and I literally took my $50 over span like 1.5 days to $800. I did not close it. No, I will say that was my lucky day. Every trader is gonna have that lucky day. That $50 to $800 was for sure my lucky day. I didn't close, of course, and I was very upset, but like that was really like, oh my god, like I'm on this. I literally start writing in my journal like a whole plan. I'm like, I'm finna reach 5,000 by 2 months, like, and then next thing you know, I blew it, trend reverse, and from there, I'm studying day in and day out. So that was February. So then we go February, March. April, I meet my little yeah already, right? When I meet my little yeah, I have my spiritual awakening on top of that. So it's like so much stuff going on. But my little yeah, she an accountant. So like I meet her, and now I'm just expounding so much more. So let's see, that was April of 2021 all the way up until 2023. So for the last 2 years, literally have been diving, because I was diving during that 3rd, 4th period of COVID. That's when I kind of detoured. So when I got to Kansas, I was completely locked in. The last 2 years was completely locked in. There was nothing else that mattered. And what's crazy is my drawdown shows that. Like, I'm literally 18K in drawdown, because it was like, I don't care. I have to figure it out. I need to learn. Once I moved there, and I had my first big day, and then I had 2 more big payouts. I had my first big payout, my first big day actually on my live account, because I didn't get into prop firms yet. Had my first big day, and I had $100, turned that to $2,000, and then a couple months after that, I think it was probably the next year, I made $1,000 from $100. So, or I made $1,000 twice. So I had one $2,000 withdrawal and then 2 $1,000 withdrawals. It's still inconsistent. It's still like I'm still finding what works for me, and it's not even the strategy at this point, guys. It's not even the strategy. It's not even the technicals. Like, I'm really so confident on my technicals. I'm so confident on how to read the market, how to draw from point A to point B, draw my supply and demand zones, look for the reversals, look for the time periods, the fundamentals of it, like all of that. But what's really the crucial and essential part that I've been missing for the last 2 years is that psychology. It's building the psychology to become profitable. And they literally say 10% of trading is just the technicals, and the 90% is just psychology. So I feel like my psychology has grown so much, and I'm so ready to expound on that with y'all. So like, I already know that profitability is right around the corner, and so I'm just gonna keep, expounding on my journey. I'm gonna keep posting, and we gonna make some shit work. We finna lock in, and we finna make it work. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna let y'all go. I'll share it.